For both of them, let's try to rotate that region across the x-axis. Let's start with the familiar one first on trying to use integration. So if I want to find using integration, I am trying to rotate this line across the x-axis. So to apply formula means we go for pi, integrate extreme ends, which is 1 to 3. Your y is a 1, so it's a 1 square dx. So I can also simplify this to become, you integrate 1 is x, 1 to 3. And we take 3 minus 1, so we get 2 pi. So volume of this is 2 pi. However, you can also visualize this and use a formula. Now, how do we visualize it? You draw in the mirror image below first of that line. Then to visualize in a 3D shape, just put this kind of oval shapes on the end. Which you should recognize that a shape in 3D on something like that is a cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. And we are finding volume in this segment of the chapter. So cylinder, what is the formula? It will be pi r squared times height. So can we identify where's the radius and the height? If you're going to use formula, you have to draw out so that you identify correctly. This is your height, it is 2. Okay, the cylinder is like tilted horizontally. This is the height of the cylinder, and this is your radius, which is 1 unit. So when I apply formula, I'm using pi r squared times height. So in our case, it's pi 1 squared times h, which will also give you 2 pi. So both are okay to apply. Actually, partly depends on whether you have graphing calculator. If the question can use GC, I wouldn't visualize with cylinder. I just press this on the calculator. But if the question is without GC, then maybe I want to think of a cylinder so that I don't need to integrate. Okay, so you use integration usually because you have GC allowed. Formula usually because no GC. You don't want to integrate, you just go for pi r squared times height. Okay, but there's no hard and fast rule. You can use either of the ways you want. On the second diagram, we will want to try to rotate this part across the axis.